Hey guys, welcome back to Kylie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to make this amazing Barbifry wings. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Kylie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's KylieKitchen_1. And also on Facebook, it's Kylie J's Kitchen. So the first thing that you want to do, you always want to ensure that your chicken wings is properly cleaned and washed. And then you're going to go in and drain the excess water from it. And then you're going to season. So as per usual, I'm going to go in and add some of my paprika, a little bit of black pepper, and some all-purpose seasoning. And I will also go in and add a little bit of soya sauce, combine all of that together. And once my wings is properly seasoned, I'm going to go ahead and just cover it, place it in the fridge for roughly about an hour before I start preparing the rest of the ingredients. Also guys, the flour mixture for this recipe, I went ahead and, put it together already off camera. So as per usual, I just went ahead and add some of my paprika, some black pepper, and some all-purpose seasoning to the flour and combine all of that together until the flour mixture is evenly distributed. All right, so now it's time to go ahead and cook my chicken wings. So as I said earlier, I went ahead and seasoned my flour mixture. And I also put my pot on the stove with my vegetable oil that I'm going to fry my wings in and allow it to hot before I add the wings, all right? So you just want to go ahead and just place your wings in the flour mixture and ensure that it is coated properly. Any excess flour, you just want to go ahead and shake that off, all right? And guys, just a note, always be creative, always be you in the kitchen and utilize whatever you have at home, all right? All of these ingredients, you can get them at your local supermarket or grocery store. Be sure to check that out and let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this recipe, all right? So the seasoning from the chicken wings, you don't want to throw that away because we are also going to use that for our sauce for the wings, all right? So be sure to keep that. And just a reminder guys, you can always go ahead and have these wings with some vegetables, or you can have it with some rice and peas or whatever you have at home. As I always say, just be creative, be you. All right, so basically we're going to fry these for about 7 minutes on both sides, and then we're going to coat them in the sauce that we're going to make for our chicken, and then we're going to place them in the oven for a couple more minutes. All right, so stay tuned for all of that. So now we're just going to go ahead and flip our wings on the other side and allow the other side to fry as well. And we're just going to allow the other side to fry about 3.5 minutes. Because remember, we're going to place it in the oven as well. So if it's not cooked properly now, then we're going to cook it in the oven. All right, so no need to worry. So you just want to ensure that they're golden brown and so now that my wings, they're all fried, I'm going to go ahead and remove them from the pot and place them on this plate with a napkin and allow the excess oil to drain. All right. And then we're going to go in and make the sauce. Guys, listen, this recipe is really easy and simple. And I want you guys to go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think about it. All right. All right, so this is my wings. All right guys, so I had a little bit of sauce from the day before. So what I did, I went ahead and add the excess seasoning, allow it to come to a boil, and also added a piece of Scotch bonnet pepper to it and just a little bit more ketchup. Alright, really rich, really amazing. So if you guys, because I did not insert the clip how I made the sauce, so basically the sauce is made from the seasoning from the chicken, a little bit of ketchup, a little bit of otahetti apple juice, and a little bit of honey and some soya sauce, and a little bit of water, and you add your Scotch bonnet pepper. Allow that to come to a boil, and then you just go ahead and just place your wings in it and ensure that it is coated properly. Place this back in the oven for roughly about another 7 minutes, and then you just take it out and serve it up. So for today's recipe though, we're going to serve this up with some curry rice and some vegetables. So stay tuned guys for the final product. I can't wait to show you. So go ahead and just pour some of the sauce all over the chicken so that it doesn't dry out when you put it in the oven. All right. And as you can see, my wings looking amazing. So guys, this is the final product of my Barbifry wings. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try it out. Let me know what you think. Remember to turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye.